I will show you how to remove copyright claims on YouTube and how to find copyright-free music so you can monetize your YouTube videos. Keep watching. Log into your account and find YouTube Studio. This is the main panel. Pick the content section on the left bar. You will see all your videos here. As you see, there are restrictions here. These are copyright problems about your videos. Let's scroll down. Another copyright and another copyright here. You can see all your videos that have copyright issue. Let's click here and see details. I will not play this video because it has copyrighted music here. Here is the music track you used in your video that got you in trouble. It starts at the 10th second and continues until the 33rd second. I can click play button and listen to this music and find out what the copyright problem is. Let's select action. We can erase song. When we erase song, we can keep the speech and just delete the song. This is very important if you have speech in your video. And you can also replace the song. Please pay attention. In this case, the conversations in the video will also be deleted. Or you can just trim out the copyright segments and get rid of it completely. If you think there's a problem with this copyright claim, you can dispute and you can say there's no copyright. So you can say, this is my own video and my own music. Remember that the visual content in your video can be copyrighted, as can the songs. There is a speech in the video segment, so I will erase the song. Choose Erase Song, or you can mute all sound in the segment. We don't want this. We just want to erase the song and keep the speech. Save this. Erase song. All right, it says it's in progress. It will take a few hours, during which time the old version of the video will remain live. Let's close this window. As you see, it says checking. One found copyright. It's processing right now. Let's go another video and replace song. Click here to go to the start time of the segment. I checked the video segment and made sure it did not contain a speech. So I select action. I will just replace song so that I can choose a new song. Unfortunately, you cannot upload your own music file. You can only use YouTube audio library. So there are many copyright-free music here. You can click here to filter the music. For example, let's choose mood. Let's choose sad. Apply. Let's choose this one. Okay, I like it. Click on Add. This is the copyrighted part. Let's add. It automatically placed it above the copyright part. You can zoom here and make detailed edits on the editor. Finally, click on Save. That's it. If I have been helpful, you can support me by liking the video. You can subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more educational videos. If you have something on your mind, don't forget to write in the comments below. I will be happy to answer. See you soon.